and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a real Jamaican cornmeal porridge, but my way. To make the cornmeal porridge we will need a Dutch pot, and the ingredients are cornmeal polenta, coconut milk, 2 tins of coconut milk, condensed milk, cinnamon for the taste, ground nutmeg for the taste, and vanilla flavoring for the taste. Now what we need to do is put a cornmeal polenta first in the bowl. That is important part. You have to put it first. That is very important part. Polenta going first. So half of the polenta we're gonna use for 2 tins of the coconut milk. So now we need to mix cornmeal polenta properly, mix it smooth, because you want your cornmeal porridge to end up nice and smooth. No big pieces of porridge in there. So we need to mix it properly, nice and smooth. When you think it's smooth enough, you can slowly add the seasoning and mix it again. So I'm putting cinnamon first. I like the taste of the cinnamon, so really depending on your taste if you want to use cinnamon or not. I'm using this much, all dependent on your taste. Now grab nutmeg. I'm using about this much. We like the cornmeal porridge to be having loads of a flavor, loads of the seasoning. I understand some people don't like put so much seasoning, but it's really up to you. You season it by your own taste, but remember we're gonna use the condensed milk on the end, so that's gonna give it a sweet taste, the condensed milk. Mix it real smooth. Now we fill up the Dutch pot with a little bit of water on the bottom, just say about 1/3 of the Dutch pot. It's always better to use less water, because you can always add a bit more water. It's better to always use less than make it too watery. So as I said, just about on the bottom, about 1/3, less than 1/3 of the pot, and bring it to boil. Now when the water is boiling, we will turn it down for the smallest you can, and we're gonna mix this mix into the boiling water. Remember, it has to be boiling water, and you have to mix it quickly, because you want it to be nice and smooth. So remember, this is a very important part where you have to mix it nice and smooth. Don't stop mixing, yes? Keep mixing. Keep mixing. It's very, very important to not stop mixing, because you want it to have it smooth. Yes, so it's important now. The important point is to keep mixing. We can put it to a big one now, because we want to keep it mixing until it's gonna get more thicker. You're gonna feel it in your hand, in the spoon, how you're gonna keep mixing, and now it's just gonna get thicker and thicker. Now I keep mixing about less than 2 minutes, 1 minute and a half, and I can start feeling how it's getting thick. The cornmeal porridge is getting thicker and thicker. As you can see, it's getting more thicker now. In this point, if you have it too thick that you cannot even mix it no more, you should put a little bit more water. But if you have it the same consistency like me, that's the good consistency. So, and about this point, when it's more thicker and you can feel it on the spoon, you will turn down the stove for the smallest you can. You're gonna turn it down on the smallest number, and you're just gonna mix it and cover it and leave it to boil on the smallest for about 20 minutes now. Yeah, so just cover the Dutch pot and leave it to cook for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes of cooking, cornmeal porridge is done. It's nice and smooth. Now the last thing what we need to do is to just give it a flavor. So we're gonna use the condensed milk, the whole tin, mix it in. And we're gonna use a little bit of a vanilla flavor in. I like to use it, it's really dependent of your personal taste, but I like to have it a bit of vanilla flavor. Mix it smooth. Just boil it for like 2 more minutes for all the flavors to get together. Mix it properly, and cornmeal porridge is done. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned how to make cornmeal porridge. Please give me a like, comment if you have any suggestions, and hit the subscribe button for more videos coming soon. Thank you and see you soon.